Hi, today I'm ready with me Vivo Y17 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap here to open button. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. Maybe I got just slow internet connection. So just tap to open button and click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So now we could see here information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 31 degrees. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.